Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I really would like to give you the difference between a page rank and a SERP rank in very easy way. And here I have mentioned all the information so that I do not want to confuse you. So the very first thing that I really would like to talk about is page rank. So what do I mean by a page ranking? I have already done one of the video, but I want to revise that in this particular video just to give you the difference between a page rank and a SERP rank without any confusion. Now when I say page ranking, it is all about the backlinks, right? Which means our website is clickandcapturestudio.com. Now from the other websites which are really popular, which are running websites with a lot of updated contents which have a very good name, if they mention our website link onto their blogs, Google will think that Click and Capture Studio is really good website, and that is the reason a lot of popular websites in their blogs that they are mentioning the links that belongs to Click and Capture Studio. Google will understand the authority of Click and Capture Studio, our website. And also by making a use of the Instagram and Facebook blogs, by keeping the links on the Facebook and the Instagram bio, we can increase the page ranking. Alright, so the page ranking is mostly for the Google bot to understand the authority of our website. If we have so many backlinks from the popular websites, our page ranking will be very much higher, and then the chance for our website to be on the top of the Google search results page is very high if we have so many backlinks, and that's one of the criteria in order for us to website to be on the top of the Google search engine. Alright, now you have understand very clearly about what do I mean by a page ranking. Now second thing in this video, I would like to talk about on-page SEO. Even we have learned, right, the difference between on-page SEO and off-page SEO in the last session. So when it comes to on-page SEO, whatever the SEO that we do on the website, on the Click and Capture Studio website, maybe if we are writing the blog, we have to mention the content, right, the keywords, the appropriate keywords, which is very much important for the SEO. And then whatever the images that we are placing on the blog, we have to write the alt text, so that whenever the Google bot comes to our website onto the particular page, when it starts to crawl, it will understand what is the image is about. And also we have to keep a lot of internal links, right, the connections between the web pages inside the website Click and Capture Studio. And then when it comes to on-page SEO, we have to focus on writing the correct meta title and then the correct meta description. Now when we combine the keywords, images, internal links, meta title and meta description, we can call that as on-page SEO. So far you have understand what do I mean by page ranking, and then you have understand what do I mean by on-page SEO. And now I want to talk about SERP so that you will understand the difference between the page rank and SERP rank. And in the last session I have clearly told you the page rank is completely different, and then the SERP ranking is completely different. Now what is SERP ranking? SERP ranking is nothing but the combination of page ranking plus on-page SEO. Whenever someone searching for the wedding photography on Google, the very first thing that Google will do is it will see the page ranking. And if the page ranking is higher based on all of these elements, Google will think that we have to showcase to the user Click and Capture Studio website because the page ranking of Click and Capture Studio is really high. So category number 1 that the Google bot will search in order to show our website onto the top of the Google search engine results page. And once the page ranking is very high, the second thing that Google bot will check is on-page SEO. Even the Google will search for the on-page SEO, which means it will search for all the keywords, images, internal links that we have placed, including meta title and meta description. And when the both on-page SEO and page ranking meets the Google bot criteria, and that is the only time it will display onto the search engine results page. If we have a higher page ranking and if we do not have good on-page SEO, then our website will not come onto the top. And in the similar way, if we have a very good on-page SEO and if the page ranking of our website is very low, then again the same thing, our website will not come onto the top of the Google search engine results page. So when it comes to SERP, it is a combination of page rank as well as on-page SEO. I hope everybody have a very clear understanding about the difference between a page ranking and SERP ranking. And if you have any questions on this particular topic, I want you to mention your question in the comment section down below this video. I will go through your comment and I will answer your question. And by the way, if you're watching my video for the very first time and if you're really interested to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I have did more than hundreds of videos, and these videos are completely for free and you can find them on Edurself YouTube channel. All you have to do is you have to search for the playlist digital marketing on my YouTube channel, and it is so simple. And I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.